In last week's episode, we arrived in Kona, Hawaii and started exploring around. We went to Waipio Valley, went around Volcano National Park, and over to one of the world's few black sand beaches. In this episode, we're starting bright and early with a 3 a.m. wake-up call. Welcome back for another day. Today we're hopping on a plane to Kauai. And then we've got some exciting stuff over there. We're doing a helicopter tour this morning and then going to the beach and some shopping in the afternoon before heading home this evening. So, fun little day trip to Kauai. We woke up at 3:15 this morning because our flight is at 6 a.m. So we're about to head to the airport and get this adventure started. We have made it through security. We've got about 20 minutes before we board the plane. We fly Kona to Honolulu and then Honolulu to Lihu. So we've got about a 2-hour total travel time. So let's go. After 2 quick plane rides, we've made it to Lihu, where we'll be taking a helicopter. I think it's like an hour ride. We get to see the Na Pali Coast, which is so beautiful. I'm really looking forward to this. They're inside trying to get all the weight and balance figured out for the flight. So we have about 30 to 40 minutes and then we will be on the helicopter going up. I can't bring any extendable lenses, so I am going to have to go with this 17 to 28 lens. So I can't guarantee it's going to be the best footage, but I think at 28 we can still get some good shots of the island. So let's get this all figured out and get on the helicopter. We just got back. That was an hour long of pure bliss. We got to see basically the entire island. It was absolutely stunning, as beautiful, if not more beautiful than I imagined. Highly recommend. And our tour guide was amazing. He said he actually owns the company, so great people. They're actually one of the last helicopter tours on the island that are still owned by Hawaiians. So it felt really great to support Hawaiian locals. Just a really amazing experience. Highly recommend coming here if you come to Kauai. After the helicopter tour, we drove over to Honolulu, which is where we are now. We got some barbecue at Chicken in a Barrel Barbecue. We've been going around the shops here, and we're about to head to the beach because we need some beach time. I think we're all ready for it, so let's go. And after the beach, we went and grabbed some really quick food and cocktails before heading back to the airport, which is where we are now, to head back to Kona. So we'll see you when we get there. It is another beautiful day on the big island of Hawaii. After Lihue, we basically came back to the house we're staying at and went straight to bed because we woke up at 3 a.m. yesterday and we were all exhausted. So we woke up this morning. We are going to Hilo today, which has a bunch of beautiful waterfalls and just beautiful scenery. So we are waiting on everyone to finish up getting ready, and then we're gonna start making our way over there. Came to Kauai caves, which is where we are now. They were absolutely beautiful to go through. The side to the left is pretty short, but the side on the right, you can kind of walk pretty far into the cave. It was really cool to go see, but now it's time for waterfalls. We've now come to Rainbow Falls after a quick stop at another waterfall, and this is actually one of the waterfalls I came to when I was a kid, but it's just as beautiful today. We're just walking around and they also have these beautiful trees, so we're just exploring today. It's a fun day. I'm not a huge beach person, so I'm a fan of today. The waterfall is right next to a bunch of banyan trees, which are these trees behind me. They basically have all these like interesting roots. It's not like one singular tree trunk. It's like all these different trunks. They're really cool. You can kind of like walk through them. Really neat trees. And Hawaii has a bunch of them, so very cool. We're heading back to the car. I think we're gonna go either grab lunch or go to the botanical gardens. Don't know which one is happening first, but let's go.
A few moments later.
And we got a quick lunch at a Thai restaurant, and now we've come to the Hawaiian Botanical Gardens. We're about to walk in. It's just absolutely beautiful. The drive over here was stunning. Can't wait to go explore. Let's go. We haven't even been here 5 minutes and it's already just such a beautiful walk. There's so much to see, so many different plants I've never seen before. This is a must-do if you're on the big island of Hawaii. just got back to the car. It was absolutely beautiful. I think we spent like an hour in there, so good little bit of time at the gardens. Highly, highly recommend this if you're on the big island of Hawaii. Waiting for everyone else to get up, I kind of ran up and started the car so we have some AC because it's very hot and humid out. So just waiting for everyone to get up, and then I think we have one more waterfall before going for some much needed frozen beverages. So once they get up, let's get on the road. And after going to the waterfall, we went and got some drinks real quick before heading back into Kona where we're staying. And now we've come to this beautiful beach park to watch the sunset. It's absolutely stunning. But yeah, after this, we're just gonna hunker down for the night, enjoy some time together. I leave tomorrow evening, so I have the morning to do a couple more things and then I head back. So that basically concludes this video. I hope you've enjoyed. I'm really having a great time with family. I think this is probably the first vlog that I've done where I'm with family, so it's been a little interesting, but happy to get to spend time with them. But yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really does help us out. And as always, don't forget to keep adventuring. We'll see you on the next one.